Hello viewers, you are welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to be showing us how to install Windows 10, Windows 11 on our desktop and our laptop. So right here now, what we have here is we have a desktop here. So what we need to do is first, right now this one is loading right now. It's loading. What we first need to do is make sure that our desktop is on a bootable. How can you do that? When you shut down your laptop, your desktop, this is a this is a what's it called? Uh, Dell desktop. You will go to press F2 down, or you press F12. So this one is going to take us to the boot manual, So if you want to use the CD, you convert it to CD. Even if you want to use USB ports, if you want to use a CD, you convert it to CD. And if you want to use the USB flash drive, also convert it to USB flash drive. So right now, after the installation, you're going to arrive at these. So this one right now, we're trying to reload it and it's still working perfectly well. So that's the first thing you need to do. The first thing you need to do is that make sure that your desktop is convertible from loading from hard disk. So either your CD-ROM or your USB flash drive. So right now it's still loading. It has finished installation. Now moving to installation of the